In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Zapier. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple automation that pulls data from a spreadsheet, sends it to ChatGPT, and prepares it for whatever you want to do next. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Create, then choose Zaps. This opens the visual editor where you'll build your workflow from top to bottom. Begin with your trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Choose Google Sheets as the app. When prompted, select a trigger event, such as when a new row is added or an existing row is updated. A quick tip here, make sure your sheet has a clear header row and a bit of sample data. That helps Zapier recognize your columns correctly. Connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already, approve the permissions, and then pick the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Click Continue and run a test trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent row so you can see real data. If it doesn't find anything, add a test row in your sheet and try again. Next, move to the action step. This is where we bring ChatGPT into the workflow. Click to add an action, search for ChatGPT, and select it. Choose an action event that fits your goal, such as sending a prompt or generating a response. In the setup, you'll map fields from the Google Sheets trigger into your prompt. For example, you might pass a product name or a description from the sheet directly into the prompt so ChatGPT can write a summary, a headline, or a draft reply. Depending on how you plan to use the output, Zapier may prompt you to connect another service. For example, if you want to store or send the AI-generated content through an email platform, you'll be asked to sign into that account so the data can flow through. Follow the sign-in flow and confirm access. Click Continue to review your mappings and settings. Now run a test. Zapier will take the sample data from Google Sheets, pass it to ChatGPT, and then send the result to the next step. Check the test output carefully, confirm that the prompt is receiving the right fields and that the generated text looks the way you expect. If something seems off, adjust the prompt wording or the field mappings, then test again until it's dialed in. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets to ChatGPT in Zapier and confirmed everything works end to end.